I am often being asked about the recipe of success. Well, there is no one single recipe of success. Different types of successes require different types of recipes. It's like building a house. Different house depending on your own likings, depending on your preferences, will have different plans. And that is true about success as well. Success calls for making plans. You need to strategize. You need to set the goals upfront as to what constitutes to you as a success. Based on these goals, you will have targets. Targets are time specific, time bound deliverables for your success. It all comes in the overall gamut of planning. So for every success, whether you have to go from Pune to Bombay or India to USA, you need to have a plan. So success definitely and without fail calls for the plans to be made. As detailed plan as you can make will be greater. But making plans is just one part of a whole approach towards success. You need to implement those plans in letter and spirits, in its whole totality, without omitting any particular steps, because there is no shortcut to success. You won't achieve success if you take too many shortcuts. Shortcuts is your recipe to failures. And not only that, you have to take proper approach in order to implement each and every planning steps towards the success. But most importantly, your attitude matters. And for success, you need to have do it now attitude. When you have finished with planning, there is a moment when you have to begin now. You can't continue to procrastinate. You can't continue to delay the steps. You can't continue to have too many gaps between two different steps towards your success. And therefore, I wrote, success calls for making plans and begin implementing it with do it now attitude. Do it now. It has to be felt like an urgency, emergency. It is only when you take steps with a sense of urgency, emergency, and utmost necessity that you achieve the success. And therefore, the critical component of your journey to success is your attitude. Attitude called do it now. Therefore, success calls for making plans and begin implementing it with do it now attitude. Do it now.